Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this video I show you how to make this wood sound diffuser panel. Whew. First things first, you need to make sure that wood sounds good. Yeah, sounds good. First of all, I have to rip cut the whole slab. Then, to make it easier to deal with, I cut the boards to length. The greatest planer do his work. Such a satisfying process. And final rip. And ugly planer makes it square. Don't even ask. Fit is not regulated and it's very fast. And here they are, bitches. The client provided me with heights that were calculated online. They scatter a certain frequency. I don't know what a frequency. At first I set the distance for the longest bar. And let's go! Juk 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 juk. Meanwhile, you have the option to subscribe. I'm afraid you might miss a lot of other interesting things. Sanding, the most boring thing in the world. And scraping. Ready to glue up. I put the tape to guides. Later, you will see why. Measure, measure, cut. Now applying glue to the lower side of the bar. And clamp it to straight line. And then another clamp to squeeze all blocks. "11 lines to go. While it's convenient, I apply the finish, taking into account the places of gluing. I glue for 4 lines, then all the lines into a single whole square. Then I apply oil to the places where I skipped. And now it lives in the sound studio. Such a beauty.